Hello everyone, I'm Bill with Engine Apparatus, and on today's vehicle showcase I have for you our 1250 GPM mini pumper for Monroe Fire Department in New York, Orange County. We'll start in the front here. We have a buck stop bumper with a M4 red-white light. We have a fog light, which alternates with the other fog light for driving mode for your white scene. We have the Ion Series Whalen right here, which is also in the red-white. Then we have the Summit sticks, which have your marker lights on top and red-white warning, and also has gradient scene on the side. If you look in the front of the vehicle on the top, you'll see our Liberty 2, which is also in the red-white configuration. And a little extra we did is we powder coated the tow hooks to match the white hood as a little extra pop for the front of the vehicle. We'll come around to the side of the vehicle here. We have the Whalen 5V, which has a puddle light feature. So when you put the vehicle in park, it'll have a puddle light underneath. I'll have the fenderette from Buckstop, which covers the aluminum wheels, which are also from Buckstop. This vehicle does feature the super single conversion kit, as you can tell. Move over here, you'll see our graphics package from Market Graphics. We have a mud flap for the front tire to protect it from any debris flying off the front tires. And then we also have here amp research running boards, which drop the step down to you, so you have higher clearance. Come over to the middle of the truck and you'll see our midship DSD pump. Again, it is a 1250 pump, and we do have the labels. We're still missing some labels here, which will be coming shortly. They sent us the wrong one. Coming to the module is fabricated in-house. You can see we have 900 series Whalen, and we also have the 900 Spectra's scene lights. We have ROM roll-up doors with shelving, and then we have turtle tile in the shelving. We do have minimal tool mounting completed for this, but not too much for this build. Walk around this way, you can see our rub rails. Now, our rub rails do stick out farther than the door handles, so the rub rails actually protect your doors. Come around to the back of the vehicle. You see we have our hose bed with the slidable dividers in the hose bed. We have our storage for the hard suction, which is right there. This does have blue and yellow as well as red flashing lights on the rear, so a little extra lighting to grab your attention. We do have our ladder storage and pipe pull storage, which is under the hose bed. We use the dead space up. We hate having dead space on our vehicles, so we try to put something there as possible. We also have our chain box, which is also dead space up to the fuel tank. We'll come around to this side. You can get a full shot of the graphics package with the roll-up doors. All our graphics are individually cut. They're not cut on the door, so everything is protected, so we're not hitting door seals and ruining your doors at any time. All right, after you get a good look, we'll move inside, and I'll show you the inside of the vehicle. Okay, now we are inside the vehicle. I have this door shut just so you don't have the beeping of the alarm on the Ford. If we start in the front of the console, you'll see, well, first we'll start with the console, and you'll see this is an all aluminum console. First one we made like this. The customer wanted something a little more custom, didn't want to have wood. So we made them an all aluminum console with the DA finish. We'll start in the top. You can see we have our door ajar light. So I did leave some of the doors open so you can see that light flash. This vehicle is currently in drive, so the light is flashing blue. It DVIs in red if the vehicle is in park. Moving down, you'll see we have two USB connections. The one on the left is for the sync, so if you want to play music or something through the vehicle, you have that. And the other one is a full charging one to rapidly charge any device that you have, a phone or a tablet or anything else you want to do. Coming down the console, you'll see our core controller here. So that's our lights and siren, and that controls everything on the vehicle for emergency lighting, for sirens, and your scene lighting. Everything is controlled off of that core box right there. Coming down, you'll see our pump shift. So this does have a true air-driven pump shift. Same thing we have in actual fire trucks. Coming down one more, you'll see we have the brackets for the radios. Now this company has to have their radios installed by their county, so we put the brackets there and the radios will be installed once the vehicle is taken home. Coming to the back of the vehicle, you'll see we have 3 flashlights already mounted and ready to go with charging. And we have a hole here for a binder to go in for a mat book for hydrants. And we also feature 2 Bostrom SCBA seats here with the secure locks. And these do flip up. If you have storage, something you want to throw here, you have that as well. All right, I'll meet you out front and we'll wrap this up. Thank you for watching this vehicle showcase. Be sure to watch all of our socials, our TikToks, our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, of course, where you're watching this. Watch for all of our updates. We'll have some big updates on our Facebook page with some new projects coming up. And thank you for watching this video.